Hey, and we are live. So it was exciting. We did QA all night long, all afternoon. Luckily, most of the bugs had nothing to do with me. I just had to jump in and give my wisdom every once in a while. And the website is now live. And I was learning Ethereum stuff all afternoon. So it's pretty cool.
What
were you learning?
Ethereum.
Ethereum.
Oh yeah, Ethereum.
He's still learning how to say it.
Well, actually, I've only read it, so it's kind of like Vimeo for me.
Or like Udemy. Like every time I talk to somebody, they're like Udemy.
Yeah. Wait, what is it? The Udemy? Wait, Ethereum.
Ethereum.
I said it right. Ethereum. I don't know why it's in my head that way. But anyways, so I've been learning that all afternoon. I think the most complicated part is all the freaking like technologies you have to know just to play with their network. So slowly but surely grasping that. And yeah, that was my day. How about you, Mark Price?
Oh man, it's good stuff. Life is good. Everything's great, guys. This is so amazing. Like, this is like, if like, I've never taken any type of drugs, but like, you know, hard drugs, you know, like the bad ones, you know, that the drug lords have the machine guns on, you know, but like, I can imagine this is what it makes you feel like, is like looking at this website. Or maybe there's like monsters and stuff coming out of it, but maybe that's what it's like too. But and trees that move. But, I don't know. Evan can tell me more about that later. So I just want to share my screen here, guys. This is real cool.
That went down real quick.
Yeah. So check it out, everybody. For those of you who have purchased either the ultimate learning path or slope or the blockchain, you'll notice that it is no longer there anymore. At least the blockchain isn't. So it's been moved over here, and we have a series of courses now. They're actually not courses; they're comprehensive training programs. And you're going to get access to all of these, just so you know, automatically. Is that right, Jacob? Automatically.
Yeah, if you're lifetime access or bought the ultimate slope or the blockchain slope, you will own all the blockchain stuff automatically.
Okay. So
and Kickstarter backers.
And Kickstarter backers, yes, just to be explicit. So you're going to get all this and all the content updates we put here. But for our business model, it made sense to remove blockchain from the consumer-facing slopes. This is more enterprise B2B now, which is the direction we're going this. You'll notice that the prices have significantly increased as well too, because we're adding tons of more content. But again, if you already purchased it, you get all this stuff for free. I'm just letting you know publicly that this is how it is now. And if you missed out on buying Ultimate or blockchain, too bad, so sad. It is all changed and the prices are different and everything is different now. But if you want to change your life or do something amazing with the blockchain, here's your chance with these programs, which will be designed for certifications, which we are working on right now. Anyway, cool stuff here. Really, really cool stuff. And that went live today. You can purchase those courses here. We're doing a lot of publications on blockchain as well too. So this was great. Great work, team. Great work to everybody who participated on this. And for those of you who did not, you suck. But I'm just kidding. You guys all did great. So that's what I worked on. I did a really cool blog post. At least I think it's cool. I'm very adamant about the subject that I posted about. So feel free to read it and argue and clap or whatever you want. And that's what I did. That's all the stuff that I did. I'm done talking now.
Good work, Mark.
I don't know how to stop, Sherry. There we go. Oh.
All right. How about you, Nathan?
Yo, that was a pretty good day. Today and last night. Oh, yeah.
I got it. Just chill.
Fixed a few bugs. I introduced a nice bug into our app, but I never really like came across it because it only happens like on first time entering. I fixed it. Thanks to Jacob's wisdom.
Jacob's wisdom. What? Jacob's wisdom.
He was.
I'm full of wisdom in this release. Let me tell you.
Cool.
I was watching like all this chatter in our QA channel about things, and I'll just pop in and be like, "Hey guys, maybe you should do this."
So I fixed those things. And then today I did get some amplitude analytics in the app. It hasn't been pushed live. It's just sitting in its own little branch right now.
Only little branch.
All alone. And then I spent a good part of the day also learning, but instead of learning Ethereum, I was learning up on programming FPGA boards.
Yeah, me and Nate are going to build a drone before Johnny ever gets to.
Been there, done that.
Oh snap!
I was gonna say, here comes the unmute. he had to clap back with that one.
All right, good work, Nate.
Yeah.
By the way, the Electron updates are cool. They're not live yet because Mark was at the dog park and wouldn't send out the signed builds for me. So it's Mark's fault.
Yeah.
Jason.
Man, am I just so grateful that the website is finally live. It's interesting, like the first, brunt of it, like the first 90%, like goes by fast. You build the main architecture of it, you get the core, functionality under the hood going, and then it's like during QA, it is just tedious thing after thing after thing after thing after change after tweak, just to make sure everything's perfect. But hats off to Ben and Evan for amazing designs, and Jacob for amazing data, and just everything to get this thing up and going. I'm just super happy to see it finally live. I mean, this thing for the whole blockchain stuff, everybody, like there was massive changes on the data side. In the admin app, tons of data was moved around and changed, and new functionality had to be built and created for the admin app to be able to change the way that we, do some of the stuff on the client side. Like just big changes all around, and it's cool to see it all done and working. And lots of emails, and that's it. Amen.
I almost thought you were going to start crying.
Dude, I felt about.
I feel like he was like receiving an award.
I'd like to thank all the little people that helped me bring this website together.
That's right.
There's no I in team.
No.
Well, good job, Jason.
Losing money. No, that's impossible. Anyways, cool. Yep. Super fun stuff.
Cool. All right. Benjamin.
Ben!
Hi.
Say something funny. Say something funny.
What?
That is hilarious.
Jason's code.
Oh my gosh.
What?
Dude, I almost started crying last night when I was fixing a bug that I should have caught in a PR. I'm a little embarrassed I didn't. It was like a
function one.
It was like a circle of death. Just like a function that took parameters that didn't use any of the parameters, but did use the parameters.
And he didn't send any of the. He didn't even send any of the parameters into the function when he called it. It's just.
Wait, is this the email thing?
No.
Is this the one where you like?
It was an active campaign.
Okay, the other day he comes up to me. He's like, "Dude, I'm so pumped with myself. I got all the emails working out of the box. I didn't have to ask Jacob or Ben or anybody."
I said I clarified some things with Ben.
He's like, "I got it just knocked out there. I'm so happy." And I just come to learn right now that that's.
Hey, the cool thing is it worked.
It did work. So he was passing in parameters to the function that called active campaign, but was grabbing the variables from the form. So he actually wasn't using anything he passed in. But then he was just calling the function and not passing anything in. So in dev mode, the compiler didn't catch the error. And then when I went to build it in staging is when it was all apparent that.
Hey, if there was an error in my console, I would have fixed it.
I understand now why Jason took so much time and effort into his acceptance speech. It's because the second that he finished, everyone just went back to roasting him. Great job, man.
Thanks, guys. Never gonna talk about my code again.
Oh goodness.
I like the fact that you tried. A for effort.
I didn't try. I did. I dude, but it didn't. It only duded a third of the way.
I dude, but it just didn't dude enough.
So like A for effort, like participation ribbon or trophy, whatever makes you happy.
And maybe a C+ for functionality.
Yeah. If all of our code was only at a C+ level, where would we be today?
Hey guys, that's why we have a team, you know? I get the...
Because there's an A in team, and A code would be way better.
Oh.
But anyways, sorry, Jason. We went down a bad rabbit hole.
Nothing to say.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't even go. Okay.
No, you just started roasting Jason.
Well, Mark asked for something funny. I don't.
Hey, you know what? It led down the good path. You did great, buddy.
Okay, so I spent most of last night and today working on the blockchain page, which y'all saw. It looks great. Fixed some code, made it more robust so that we were, calling the proper cases for stuff. And then
email function. Well, you mean you just were getting things to work?
Wait, what was that? It went off.
You said more robust. Does more robust mean working?
You mean
maybe?
It means that extra third that was missing is now there.
There may or may not have been a function when people signed up for the waitlist that, regardless of the outcome from the API, generated a success message for the user.
Like I said, it worked.
It was gonna work until it didn't, Jason. But anyways, totally different rabbit hole. And then I planned a whole bunch of content that I'm gonna run by Mark and Evan here in the next couple of days when they've got time for Sprite Kit and some other really cool content I'm excited for.
Stupid Sprite Kit stuff. I want like MMORPG.
Well,
like
hold on.
Mining.
Okay.
Well,
we were talking about doing the Sprite Kit section.
Oh yeah, I know.
I did planning for that. I also got my hands dirty playing with 3 different frameworks for MMORPGs in Unity to kind of compare and see what I liked, what worked, what didn't work.
Guys, how cool would it be if Ben created a digital Devslopes world for us, like a version 1, and we all had our avatars in there, and so we'd all have our different powers. Jacob would be normal cranky. I'd have cool CEO powers.
I think being an a-hole's a really powerful power.
I could fly.
It really is.
Fly. But if we just had a world that we hung out in all day with little 3D characters and we could roast each other and chat, who cares? Screw Slack. Let's just hang out in 3D space. That'd be kind of cool.
But yeah, so I worked on theming and finding some assets and playing around with different frameworks that we could use for that.
We could actually play basketball, make the ball go in the hoop.
Yeah, we could actually. Yeah. But anyways,
in this world, Jason could code anything.
A+.
Well, we wouldn't have to worry about balancing then. He'd kind of nerf himself. But anyways, that's what I've done with my day so far.
Sweet, man. Good work with everything on the website. It's awesome. All right, Johnny B.
Customer support. Today was kind of just a planning day. Learning about some new Android stuff. Planning lessons. About to record some lessons on beta testing using the Android developer platform. It's pretty nice. I actually like it better than the Apple way of doing beta testing. So new video on that coming soon. Other than that, not too much published. Mark's post.
Thank you.
And that's it.
Sweet, man. Good work. And you did admin stuff for us yesterday.
Oh yeah, I did admin stuff for the admin app, and started also on the user portion of that. So soon, Jason will be able to see info for users without having to bother Jacob. Is the plan.
Love it.
Best plan ever. Sweet, man. Good work. And it is the angry VP of Product's turn.
Arg. What's up, everybody? It was a really, really good 24 hours. Basically, my only update is we got the website live. The app is about to be updated with some really, really cool things. And then a ton of QA and customer support. That was pretty much it. But yeah, great work, team. Great work, everybody, for getting this all put together and deployed really in like a week and a half, 2 weeks. It's kind of a really big task. So props to everybody.
Man, Evan, this is so nice. Like I just remember when I first met you, just this dude at this coffee shop, and
I still am.
You made me some clouds and some mountains and stuff, and I was like, "Oh, that's nice. You got a little platform here, you know." And Jacob had this like long hippie hair, and you know,
I'm growing it back.
Pretended to be some coder, but he wasn't like really all that great. But you know, and then you guys go and do this kind of stuff, and it's just like, wow, it's like
we were babies at the time.
Let's just say I wouldn't be able to do any of this without Fiverr.
This stuff is so good. It's like amazing. It's like,
build my API for $5.
I mean, you got those guys on there, man. They'll build me a whole iOS app for $5. So it's pretty sweet.
This is great.
Yeah, no, definitely. This like what for people that are watching the website, what you see here is basically, you know, we say we do things really quickly in sprints, but really it's a culmination of, you know, 2 years of rinsing and repeating this process over and over again. So really proud of the team there. And that was pretty much my update, getting this out.
And Jason's animations are nice. You code these, Jason?
Yeah, see? Nobody asked me to. I just added a little bit of spice on the hover.
Yeah. This is great.
Ooh, look at that. It bounces.
I know. Great.
It rotates your browser. Let's see.
Jason,
Caleb is
sick. The Tendermint supposed to disappear when I hover over it, though?
It doesn't do that.
All right, cool. Did you finish, Evan?
Yeah, no, I was just going to say Caleb has been sick, so I'm not sure what his update was, but he did share one of Mark's blog posts. Hope he feels better, though. And, yeah.
Evan, I watched each of your videos like 5 times.
Oh, sweet. I know. I would. So it definitely does cater to a different audience. It's less of an action movie, but, you know,
dude, they're so good.
Still fun. Thanks, guys.
It's great. I love it so much.
Oh, that's the other thing. So in order for like some of these little like animations and things like that, I'm subscribed to this website and I like pull and customize them and whatnot. So I'm going to upload all of those to Dropbox. Some of them are a little bit out of the box plug and play than like others. Otherwise you may need After Effects, but basically I'm going to dump them all in there. And so you guys can use them whenever. So just a heads up. I'm looking to do that this week.
Cool, guys. Well, I'm going to go on my roof in the rain, and I'm going to go map out some marketing ideas for this page now.
No, you have to write 3 terminal commands for me first.
Oh, I'll do that.
Uh,
I'll do that. And then I'm going to go to my roof.
All right, cool.
If I don't go there, Jason Nate just ask me questions over and over and over again.
Is it raining there? Because it's raining here.
Yes. Yes. Well, it was.
all right, guys. Good stuff.
Oh, I had to get my miner up and running again.
Evan's
Having
trying to give
issues.
Jacob a hint about ending the meeting, and he's not getting it.
No,
I just thought we were done, but yeah, we
great.
can talk for some more.
guys. We don't want
End
to
the
say
meeting,
goodbye.
Jacob. Dang it.
Oh
End
my
it.
gosh.
End
All
button.
right.
The big red button.
Wait, where is it? See you guys.